Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be creating a very nice zoom in, zoom out text effect on CapCut. Yes, we're going to be creating a very nice effect using only the text on CapCut. So let me go ahead and import my video, then we get right into it. So now I'm dragging my video to my timeline, then I go to text. Then I'm going to add a default text to this video, and I'm going to drag that to the ending of the video. Then I'm going to go to my text panel on CapCut. Then I'm going to scroll down till I see scale. I'm going to decrease that scale to 0, then add a keyframe on scale. Then I'm going to come to the ending of the video, then increase the scale back to 100%. Then I'm going to add a keyframe on that 100%. So now, as you can see it has given us this nice zoom in, zoom out effect. Yes, it has given us this nice zoom in, zoom out effect that we can use for the video. So if you want to, take it further, we can add rotation. You can add a plane rotation keyframe to the video. So what we are going to do is rotate this text to however we want it, then add a keyframe on it, go to the ending, redo the process, plane rotation, make it 0, add a keyframe. Then you can see it gives us this nice rotation. It rotates, then it's also zoom in and zoom out. So yes, that's how we're going to be doing it. Then next we can add opacity, but before we do that, it's too sharp, so I'm going to bring the plane rotation keyframe. I'm going to move it a few seconds forward. Then this is all right, this is okay. Then I stop the place where it stops. I'm going to add a keyframe on opacity, which is 100%. I'm going to add a keyframe on opacity. Yes, then go to the ending, and I'm going to decrease the opacity to 0, then add a keyframe on it. Yes, so now you see it rotates, it's zoom in and zoom out, then at the ending it fades at the ending of the video. Yes, so that is how you can get a good zoom in, zoom out, rotation, plane rotation, and opacity effect. So you can still tweak this more, so however you want it. You can change the style of the text. You can put this one with the border. Yes, you can. For me, I'm going to go with this. Then I'm going to change the color of the text to blue. I'm going to change it to blue. I think this will work for me. Then for my editing, I like using a particular kind of text, and that text is a Game of Squids text. I'm going to link that text in the description box below, so check it out. It's a very nice text that you can use for your editing or whatever. Yes, I'm going to also be dropping down another video on how to install the Game of Squids text after you've downloaded it from the link down in the description box. So let me fast forward this a little bit, then choose my Game of Squids font. So now I've found my Game of Squids fonts. I've applied it to my text. Then let me rewrite this. Yes, so I'll increase the font size of that. Yes, so this is how it's going to be. Yes, this is how it's going to be. Then if you play this back, you can see that enters, rotates while zooming in, then at the ending it fades out. So yes, so far so good. We have achieved everything we wanted to do today, so don't forget to check the description box below to get the link so you can download the Game of Square fonts. In my next video, I'll be showing you how you can install the Game of Square text. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.